Have you ever tried to play a DVD on Windows 10 or 11 and your computer just does nothing? Unfortunately, most newer PCs don't come with DVD players anymore, and definitely not iPads. Instead of trying to find a physical DVD player or messing with the old software, I just use WinX DVD Ripper Platinum. It lets you convert DVDs to MP4, which means you can play them on literally anything: your PC, iPad, even on your phone. You can download the tool from the link in the description. After you download and install this program, it's very simple interface. You can see this, and you can just click on here on disk, and it will automatically recognize your DVD in your DVD-ROM. And just click OK, and you can see over here that I already use my MP4 video. But if you want to change other formats, you can go here under the general profiles. And over here you can find a bunch of formats that you can convert your DVD. And if you want, you can preview your DVD here. Just hit play and you can see your DVD here. But we want to convert it to MP4 so we can watch it everywhere, and we can save it on a USB stick or whatever we want. So to do that, we will hit here browse, and I will choose the desktop and click select folder. And now all you need to do is to hit run and wait for a few moments for your DVD to be converted. Hit OK, and when it's done, you can watch your DVDs right on Windows 10 or 11, so no extra player is needed. And for iPad, you can just airdrop it or transfer through iTunes or a cloud drive. It works great. So if I click here on my exported DVD and I press Alt and Enter, you can see the format here, MP4. So you can play this with a VLC media player or any other Windows player. So if you got old movies or home videos that you want to watch on modern devices, this is probably the best and easiest fix. So no ads, no sketchy downloads, and no internet needed after you ripped it. So hope this helps. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.